Hello guys, today we are gonna see how to upload a project to GitHub. So let's get started. Let's see. Our opening page should be like this. Click Start Project and give it a repository name. So I'm gonna give it a unit converter and some description about it. So I'm not going to give it a description and select its type. It's public or private. I'm going to go with private because it's one of the personal projects. And then you can initialize a README file or GitHub file and a license. Um, the, this tutorial I'm not gonna show about these things. Maybe next one. So then click create repository. We're gonna go to a new page. So here we are, and then what we are gonna do is we need to have Git application, open source application. You have to download it, and let's go to the place where you have stored it, the project. So this is the file I'm gonna upload. It has it off. So let's click it and so open git bash here. So we are going to give the command git.init. So it's going to initialize the GitHub, the project. So and press enter, and then continue with git space add space dot and press enter. It's going to add everything in the folder, so the folder you are in. And then wait for a few seconds to complete it, and now we are going to open the tab in which we have the GitHub project and copy the command and paste it in the git bash. And next, the next command. And the next command is where our GitHub project is stored in the internet. So if you're doing it for the first time and you didn't use script for any other purposes, it's gonna give you something of give the username and password, and give the next command to upload all the things into the cloud, and it's uploading. And next, to delete the project, you have to go to settings and options and scroll down pretty much to the last until you reach the danger zone and click on delete this repository and copy paste the file name, and click I understand the consequences to delete this repository and enter your password. and confirm password. That's all, guys. Have deleted your repository.